Hi Port Discovery friends! Today we're talking about constructive play, which is one of a child's favorite ways to play, and it also helps build some early childhood skills that are really essential. A few reasons Port Discovery loves constructive play is because it helps encourage a child to problem solve and builds their problem solving skills. Another reason is because it helps children actively understand cause and effect, balance, and gravity as they're building towers higher, lower, or if they fall and they need to figure out how to keep their tower standing. Another reason is that it also ignites the imagination of your child as they're building castles, little towns, and anything out of what they decide to create. So today I am introducing Port Discovery's very first PlayAtHome challenge, where we are hoping our fans of Play at Home will get in the spirit and play along with us. I have 3 simple rules for the Constructive Play challenge, and our winners or people that tag us in their posts might be featured in our next email out to all of our fans or featured on our social media. So here are the rules. We are hoping everyone will gather any cardboard boxes or Tupperware boxes, storage boxes, shoe boxes, any kind of box you have in your house, and you will make a structure. There are 3 rules to the structure. You must be able to walk under it, you must be able to sit on it, and it cannot fall down. And you will have 1 minute to build. Those are the rules. So, be sure to tag us in your creations on Facebook, Instagram, send us a message on Facebook with your video, send us a DM on Instagram. You can even send it on Twitter if you're on Twitter. And we can't wait to see what you all create.